Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another haul. This first portion is from the Coffee Monsters Co. There's my freebie. I also got a couple of bean samplers since I had some of those journaling cards filled out. The first thing I got was the achy and sore emojis. I also got shaving time emojis to mark at-home spa treatments. I got the inside out emojis. I thought they were super cute. Good for marking feelings. I got budgeting emojis since I'll be going on no spend for the rest of the summer, hopefully. I got the feeling tired ones. The headache emojis. I unfortunately do get headaches rather frequently. I also got my first order from Nettie Designs come in. That was a freebie in rose gold. I got a bunch of scripts from her, Edit, Instagram, and Happy Meal, and Film. Those are all in her gold foil. Those are Upload in her rose gold and silver foils, Happy Meal, and other foils. I do really like her rose gold foil. It goes more on the copper side of life, which I enjoy. Those are all of those scripts again. I also got her holiday scripts for monthly spreads in silver. And her welcome months in silver as well. I tend to use silver most often, so I got the year labels 2020 and 2021 also in silver. And I got the month labels scripts in silver for the whole year. Both pages. She does her months on two separate pages, the first half of the year and the second half of the year on each page. So I got both. That was a freebie that came with a monthly kit that I got from her. I got this Bloom and Grow monthly kit. The monthly setup plan with me is already up on my channel. Feel free to go check that out. It's my most recent upload, I believe. It's a few pages, and then it also comes with icons and scripts specifically sized for your monthly spread in the Erin Condren. And I got some washi overlays, floral silver washi overlays to go with that. This next part of the haul starts with Glam Planner. I got 2 of her day extenders. I apologize for my tripod. I was trying a new setup, but I don't think I'll do it again. I got 2 of her teeny girls sleeping babies in both skin tones. Same thing with the boys sleeping in both skin tones. I got teeny shopping at Target for if I do any Target orders. I got Teeny and Bop face mask for any pamper days. I got Kisma backache, 2 of those. I thought they were just good general achy stickers. I got this order, my first order from My Perfect Plan. It's beautiful. I love that little envelope that she included. I got this kit. It's just a very good, planner girl vibes kit. I love this bottom washi, this double layer bottom washi, and the colors are great. They almost remind me of 4th of July, but not quite. I think it's still, the red still goes more towards the orangey side, and the 2 shades of blue are just great. Those are your heart checklists, your washi and icons, your littles and headers. I also got the add-ons that go with this kit. The glitter sampler, a deco add-on. I can't remember if those are freebies or not. And I got the extra Fashion Girls because they are super cute. This was a freebie that came with another one of those kits. This is her book themed kit. I think I'm going to save this and use it for fall. I love those labels on that washi with the bookshelves on it. It's just so pretty. It totally sold me on this book related kit. I'm going to save this for the fall, for back to school for sure. All the browns and neutrals say more fall to me, but the blue is a nice transition from summer, so using it right at the beginning of the school year I think is appropriate. There are those littles and headers again. I also got the add-ons that go with this kit. The glitter sampler has boxes and labels at the bottom, as well as glitter headers, and the deco add-on, and the Fashion Girls. This I think is one of my favorite kits I got. Very stay-at-home vibes. I love that bottom washi, and the full boxes are just beautiful. I think I'm going to use this kit not next week, but the following week. Next week I'm using a kit themed for the end of the school year, and there's a Play With Me coming up for that. Look out for that. But this kit I think I will use for the following week. Just a good stay-at-home kit. There's the glitter sampler with the glitter headers and boxes and labels. The add-on sheet. And the Fashion Girls. I love these Fashion Girls with their glasses and cozy sweatshirts. Super cute. And this was the last kit, I believe, that I got. Very stay-at-home vibes. A little bit of floral. I'm not usually a fan of florals, but I think it's done in a very subtle way with colors that I enjoy, so I didn't mind it. And I liked the full boxes and the stay-at-home vibe, so no issues there. I got the add-on for this kit as well, the glitter sampler with the glitter headers and labels, the deco and functional add-on, as well as the Fashion Girls. Next, I got my first order from Kinsey's Creations in. I used a coupon code for this. The freebie was there. I got Anxious in a script in 3 of the foils. Audiobook in gold, rose gold, and silver. Bestie Date, I think, in gold, rose gold, and silver. Can't wait to use those. See my best friend again. Dishes, to mark doing dishes or running the dishwasher. Got her edit script in all 3 foils, or 3 of the foils. Film in 3 of the foils. I didn't have any film edit or upload stickers until recently, and I'm very happy to have them. I also got grocery delivery. I'm very happy to have those, since that is all the grocery shopping we're doing right now is through delivery. Got happy anniversary. Happy birthday. I didn't have any happy birthday stickers until recently either, in terms of scripts. Happy Meal. I didn't have any that were exclusively Happy Meal either. Instagram post. I'm trying to mark those weekly in my planner in my sidebar. So I thought it would be good to have those in foils. I got Lazy Day in black, Lesson Plan in black, and Organized Stickers in 3 of the foils. Planning Time in black, Takeout in 3 of the foils. We've been doing more ordering, especially on weekends. There's Upload in 3 of the foils. And Wine O'Clock in 3 of the foils. Yoga. And here's Rachel. I've gathered plans freebie in my Letters to Apollo order that arrived this morning. I got some scripts to mark some TV shows. That was Bachelorette and The Bachelor. I got those in all 4 foils, or 3 of the foils in black, excuse me. There we go. Bachelor, Bachelorette, and Gilmore Girls all in gold foil. I mentioned in my last video that my husband and I are watching Gilmore Girls right now, so I wanted to mark that with a sticker and a script. There's Bachelorette, Bachelor, and Gilmore Girls in silver. And in black. And there's Bath in gold. I got it in all 3 foils, as well as black, I believe. Got Meeting and Laundry in all 3 foils, as well as black. And her Clean script and her Yoga scripts in all 3 foils, as well as black. I don't tend to use black scripts that often, but I like to have them in case I want to ever put something in the sidebar. There's a nice shot of the gold foil. I feel like the Letters to Apollo gold is a very true gold. It doesn't seem to err too much on the side of yellow gold or champagne gold, which I appreciate. There are some of those scripts in silver, just to show you what her silver looks like. And black. And in rose gold. Oh, regular gold, I believe. This is a Planner Nerd t-shirt that I got off of Amazon, which I am obsessed with. Totally random. I wanted to share. I will link it below. And I got my first professional real Planner Girl lighting, also from Amazon. I bought 2. I'll link that below as well. Thanks for watching.